I went from earning 40,000 francs monthly as a private secondary school teacher right here in Cameroon, which if you convert to dollars, that would be roughly around $70 or so, to actually earning over 250,000 francs monthly, all because I learned how to turn my teaching skills into 7 simple online income streams that now pays me consistently every month. And the best part is that these income streams don't stop me from actually working a 9 to 5 or a full-time employment if I choose to. They work with my own schedule and not against it. What's up, guys? Welcome to the video. My name is Risa and you're welcome to the Risa's Campus. On this channel, I make videos on tech and business productivity and also how you can also make genuine money online right at the comfort of your home. So if those are the type of videos that you enjoy consuming, then why not hit that subscribe button and join the family? In this video, I'm going to be sharing my 7 simple online income streams that I was able to build right here in a third world country like Cameroon, right at the comfort of my home, and how I manage this business even with all the constant internet wahala. And plus, I'm going to be sharing all my useful tips which you can also use to start building your own online income streams. See, if I can do it, then there's just no reason why you cannot do it. 4 years ago, none of these 7 income streams actually existed in my life. And the reason is because I solely believed in the traditional formula for success, which was go to school, get a degree, get a 9 to 5, work hard, climb the corporate ladder, and eventually you're going to make it. But what I've learned is that active income is great and all, with all the security of a salary, but depending solely on an active income is one of the riskiest decisions you can ever make in your life. The thing with 9 to 5 job is that you actually trade your time for money. If in case you don't show up, you are not going to get paid. If in case something actually happens to your job, let's say maybe it closed down, your income is going to disappear overnight. Another thing, there is a natural ceiling to how much a single job can ever pay you. And relying on one income stream is like putting all your eggs in one basket, just hoping that nothing actually goes wrong. And that is why I am such a strong believer of setting up multiple income streams for yourself. Even if you're not able to do it offline, then try to do it online, whichever way you can. Even the Bible encourages diversifying your income. The best part about setting up an online income stream is that it doesn't require much startup capital. Almost all the 7 income streams that I was able to build did not require any form of startup money. And I started them all while working in 9 to 5 and using whatever little free time I had. All right, let's get right into the video and let me share with you my 7 income streams. My first income stream is actually an active income, which is my job as a private secondary school chemistry teacher. This job pays me 50,000 francs monthly. The job doesn't really inconvenience me because I only go to school 3 days a week and I teach for just few hours, sometimes from 7:30 to 2 p.m. Other days maybe from 7:30 to 1 p.m. Plus, the school is located just 5 minutes from where I stay, so I always walk to and from school, which means there is no transportation cost. And of course, it helps keeps me very, very active. And most importantly, it blends perfectly with my other online income streams, so I can easily work and grow on them simultaneously as well. My second income stream is my job as a freelance social media manager and strategist. Now, I work as a freelance social media manager and strategist, and of course, I do that remotely. I actually started this career by chance, and it's kind of like a full blessing from God because I never applied to a job. I just got recognition from one video that I posted on YouTube, and that video basically brought me this particular client. And I've been working with these clients for over 2 plus going 3 years now. This has been one of my most consistent online jobs ever. Now, as of now, I have just one brand that I am managing, and this brand brings in roughly $150 to $200 monthly, and I've been able to make roughly around $3,000 to $4,000 in total from managing this brand. And the irony of this is that the video that actually brought me this client hasn't had up to 1,000 views on YouTube ever since I posted it 3 years ago. So I guess this goes to show the importance of creating quality and helpful content on YouTube. My third income stream is, of course, good old YouTube. I started my YouTube channel back in 2021, but I really didn't post anything until almost 1 year later. And that's because I was battling with chronic shyness and, of course, low self esteem. I was such an extremely shy person who could not even express themselves publicly, talk less or actually sitting in front of the camera and talking. So I talked all about this in a separate video. I'm going to leave the link of that video in the description box. So if you're interested, you can go watch that video. Long story short, I created and uploaded my first ever video on YouTube towards the end of 2021. That should be November 2021. And exactly 1 year after, my YouTube channel got monetized and I started earning money from YouTube immediately. So I've been earning money from YouTube for almost 3 years now, and this brings in roughly between $80 to $150 monthly. And in total, I've been able to cash out over $3,000 from YouTube. My fourth online income stream is creating and selling of digital products. I started creating and selling digital products exactly 1 year ago, and I've been able to make roughly over $200 from selling these digital downloads online. This is actually the real definition of a passive income business, but honestly, this business does not bring in consistent income because there are months where I can go without making even just a single sale. Well, I can also attribute it to the fact that I don't run any ads on my digital products. Everything is just purely organic. My YouTube channel is actually the only medium or social media platform that actually drives traffic to my store. So basically, if people or viewers don't get to my YouTube channel, they won't be able to get to my store. So I've been kind of lazy when it comes to selling digital products. The next income stream is sponsorships. Now, this is something that I just started dabbling on this year. And basically, this is something that I wasn't really interested in from the get go. And that's because I've heard a lot of bad news about fake sponsorships or people getting their YouTube channel scams. So I was always afraid of doing any form of sponsorship videos or sponsorship collaborations. But I got an invitation through my email to join a platform that actually connects brands with content creators. After a series of background checks, I decided to join this brand. I've done just one single collaboration video and I've made $170 from it. And half was paid upfront before I actually created the video. So that was basically the reason why I trusted this brand. My next online income stream is my WhatsApp community. Now, I created a subscription-based WhatsApp community where people can actually get one-on-one Q&A session with me. They can also get access to my templates, to my ebooks, get access to exclusive content before it actually goes live on YouTube, get directions on how to go about setting up their own online income streams. Overall, just share tips and guides and also work together. Now, this is basically my baby business because I just started it some few months ago and I haven't really been actively promoting this community, but I'm going to be doing that more. In general, I've made about 30,000 francs from this business. So it's actually very cheap to join my community. It's really not that expensive. Now, the last but not the least is my digital savvy or skill training business. I've created a one-on-one skill training service for people who are interested in learning digital skills, maybe like learning how to create a YouTube channel, learning how to manage clients' brand as maybe a social media manager, maybe a freelance virtual assistant, or maybe learning tech skills like Excel, PowerPoint, Microsoft Office, and of course, learn how to use AI tools so that you can actually start earning your own money or basically start some form of an online side hustle or business. These are all income streams that I've actually earned some money from them, whether it's just once or multiple times. So these are things that I've actually tried and tested, and I've seen that it can actually bring in some income. Right now, how do I manage these small businesses while living in a country where internet connection is unstable, it's expensive, and it's unreliable? Like I said, I live in Cameroon where the internet connection is not really the greatest, I must confess. Now, in the beginning, it was really challenging, but as time went on, I gradually found a way to work around this. To make this business less expensive and easier for me, I always prepare offline. I always write down my script, record content, and also edit videos offline. The next strategy I use is to work at night, or should I say very early in the mornings, between 12 a.m. to 6 a.m. In Cameroon, data bundles are very cheap at night, especially for the two main internet service providers, MTN and Orange. So I always make use of this. Between the hours of 12 a.m. to 6 a.m., these are the times when I go ahead to upload videos on YouTube, schedule posts on Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and other social media sites. And if I have to screen record tutorials, videos, I go ahead and do that at that time of the night. And of course, last but not the least, these are the times when I also design graphics for the post. Now, when I'm not able to work at those early hours in the mornings, I always rush to my friend's office or workplace, which is actually a guest house that she manages, and there they use Starlink. The internet connection there is just so swift and reliable, and that's because they get internet directly from the US. I only go there occasionally, like when I have important meetings, for example, like a Zoom call or maybe an interview where I have to go on a live video chat with the person, with the client. Then I will need to use a swift internet or stable internet connection. And also, while I'm there, I always try to batch create my content, most especially screen recording tutorial videos online. So that is how I've been able to manage and run my small online business right here in Cameroon, and of course cut down costs and stay consistent throughout the years. Alright guys, so I hope this video was interesting enough for you to hit that thumbs up button. And if in case you're interested in creating some form of an online business or side hustle as well, check out the link in the description box. You can join my WhatsApp community, ask me all the burning questions you have. And also if you want to learn any digital skills, I'm right here to help you with that. The links are going to be in the description box of this video. Go check it out and leave me a message. And of course, if you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, please hit that little subscription button down below. And do not forget to hit that little notification bell button, because that is how YouTube will be able to update you every time I upload a video, and you're going to be the first person to watch. Thank you so much for watching. As always, see you in the next video.